Right. If I was a giant, nasty alien bird in a department store, where would I be?
Lingerie.
Not you, the bird.
Lingerie. We're never gonna find this damn thing.
I lost it. How do you lose a 20-foot bird in a mall?
Ira, I don't know. So what do we do now? Wayne, I think we've established that caca, 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 and tuki, tuki don't work.
Right. Sorry.
All right. So what do you say, Ira? Pack it in?
You are so beautiful, beautiful to me.
Step back, Harry. I'm gonna shoot him.
No, stand down. I'm gonna kill this one myself.
Give me a chance. I'm communicating here.
You are so beautiful to me.
Wayne, would you please stop because you are embarrassing me?
Can't you see? You're everything. You're everything that I hope for.
It's working. Yeah, sing, rub some funk on it.
And you're everything I need.
Here he comes. You grab the girl. I'm gonna get the bird.
Got it.
You are so beautiful to me, to me.
All right. Nice shot.
I was so
So what do you want? Light meat or dark?
You have to ask. Dead now.
Yep.
Yeah.